Hi there. In this quick and unplanned video, we'll be taking a look at these two countryside beach loungers. If you want to see some dimensions for them, they are basically quite simple to carry, quite compact and free, because on most beaches these days you need to pay to get one of these, obviously with legs on it and whatnot, but hey, this thing is free. As long as you find some patch of free sand, you can put this on, but we'll see today how good they are. So now let's just open one up in here and see how it looks like, and then go to the beach. Okay, so these are all the languages, no English, so I'm going to just translate a bit of it. Ideal for relaxing and beach, also for camping. It has a pillow attached, which is nice for your head. This is adjustable. It also has a pocket. Okay, comfortable feeling and foldable. And only dimensions, and keep it away from fire, and use a wet cloth to clean it. And I guess that's about it. I'm going to also show you the manual. So this is how you unfold it, how you adjust it. So it should have a kind of a strap for adjusting. Yeah, we have German here. I don't think there's much else that I can show you apart from the whole manual, and if you are lucky, one of the languages in here is for you. If not, yeah, it is what it is, nothing more that I can do. Sorry about that. Just a little bit to go. But honestly, this kind of is self-explanatory. I do have a beach tent, and that one is not self-explanatory to fold back, so I will link that video in the description if you need it. And as you can see, we are using these things for a few good days already. Some marks on them from salt water, but overall holding up just fine. About 2 weeks later, vacation is over. These things were used, I don't know, I think daily throughout the vacation by adults, kids, everybody went on them. They were not I don't know, managed in any way to make sure that they don't break. Everybody used them any way they wanted. This thing still holds up. Yes, some threads are a bit loose. I will cut them, no problem whatsoever. You can still see a bit of salt on it, some scratches on this from stones. We used them on stone beach, sand beach, whatever. And you can adjust the angle by the length of this thing, basically like you adjust the straps on a backpack. And yeah, the metal held up just fine, absolutely no problem whatsoever. There's even a pocket right here at the back if you want to put something in there. So yeah, these things did their job absolutely perfectly fine. And the only bad thing, if you want to call it that, is some loose strands and a bit of fraying, especially in the bag. But yeah, I think you can get at least 2 or 3 long vacation, and I don't mean 1 week, long 2-week vacations out of these things. And for the price, considering how much one of these things costs if you go to the beach, basically in 1 day you pay for this thing that you use the whole vacation. Yes, if you are a longer adult, obviously your feet will be dangling. For a child, yeah, it's long enough, no issue whatsoever. But yeah, we really like them. Glad we bought them. We'll continue to use them, as we'll use this thing, which is a separate video linked in the description. We already have it for a few years and it's still going strong. So yeah, now I just need to pressure wash presumably this thing from a distance to not destroy it with the pressure washer, and let it dry, and that should be it. then we can store it right back up. And that's about it for the video. The other one, exactly same situation, nothing different, just some fraying in some areas, especially again in the bag. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Nothing more that I can say about this, honestly. It's simple design, it's sturdy design. Metal is, maybe you can hear it, decently thick for what it needs to do. Yeah, we even use them as towels at an aqua park. We just put them on top of the, yeah, that seems to be the term, lawn chairs. So I got it. Really good, decently light. The handles are a bit long, so if you are on the shorter side, you have a chance of banging this onto the ground, but you will find a way to hold onto this thing, rotate it somehow in the hand to make it shorter, and it's all good. But yeah, no further rambling. Cheap, cheerful. They are, how many, 8 euros or something like that at the moment, maybe even 7 euros when we got them at a discount. Whatever, the difference is minute, and yeah, they do their job and they are decent quality, and that's about it. So see you in the next video.